everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing 5 surprise toy mini brands, courtesy of ZURU. Thank you so much to ZURU for sending us mini brands for free to review. Let's take a look and see what's inside. What? Just kidding. I already know that we're missing some. My kids had to open them. And you can check out those other videos at the top of the screen now. Or check my playlist. So now I only have 5 balls left. And that's because my kids are obsessed with toy mini brands. And if your kid loves 5 surprise mini brands just as much as mine, they're gonna love the toy mini brands just as much. Trust me on that. Hottest toy of 2020. Let's get started. I think I'm gonna open up 2 in this video. Now, before I continue, you have to check out my other video where I did some amazing DIY. Check this out. I used popsicle sticks and a tray from the Dollar Tree to create my own DIY mini brands shelf. 60 mini brands to collect, ZURU 5 surprise toy mini brands featuring all of your favorite toys miniaturized. Sounds like a good one. Ugh. Redeem myself there. Ooh, this is a good one. Let's bloom it, baby. Sweet. We got our own basket. Movie magic. I love these baskets. They're really super cute. Checklist. Yay! And we got another SpongeBob. I'll show you what he looks like out of the box because you can remove these if you wish. You are going to mess up the little miniature packaging, but I mean, why not? They're really super duper cute. I would only recommend you do so if you have duplicates of these. They are very, very pricey, and I don't want you to start doing that, removing these, knowing that you might not even get another duplicate. They are really hard to find. Whoa. And it's the girl herself. It's JoJo Siwa. Here is a miniature bow for JoJo. Here we go. Whoa. Here are the Ultra Clean Washable Markers by Crayola. Oh, got the Frisbee, and you really can remove this Frisbee. This is the All Sport Frisbee. Pretty awesome. It actually even gives you miniature directions on how to use it because Mini Brands takes the actual packaging all the way down to the barcode to create a really legitimate and totally like perfect model of the original. I think that's it for this one. Ugh, what a bummer. Let's check out this checklist if you're new to mini brands. You can get gold, rare, which is glow in the dark. You also get metallic, which is more rare. Then you have a bunch of commons. And they run the gamut from their own line, ZURU's Rainbow Corns and Smashers, a bunch of balloons, all the way to the very, very popular fingerlings and the classic toys like hula hoops, frisbees, slip and slide. We also have some Nickelodeon favorites like Dora the Explorer from Nick Jr. We also have 90s favorites, Rugrats, Ren and Stimpy. Also got SpongeBob in there, and even some newer ones like Shimmer and Shine and Blaze and the Monster Machines. For 80s kids, they got you covered as well. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Pretty awesome. And these are the accessories that you can get. You can get toy mini brands paper bags, you can get a basket, get the shelving system, or a really cool shopping cart now with a flag. I'm gonna open up one more. This one sounds like it's a goodie. And I'm really hoping for gold. Give me some gold vibes, baby. What was that? Oh! Got it. Please be Ren, please be Ren, please be Ren. Oh, it's just Stimpy. I wonder if they even have Ren, come to think of it. That's crazy. So Ren isn't even on this checklist, so it's gonna be around for Series 2, yes! What kind of toy do you wanna see for Series 2? Yes, we got Raphael. Now we have 2 Ninja Turtles. So far we already have Leonardo, and now we got Raph. How cool. I love this packaging. This is so awesome. This is the Ninja Turtles that I remember when I was a kid. So awesome. It's a good one so far. Even though I got some duplicates, a duplicate, it's okay. I got a new one. Whoa, and we got SpongeBob SquarePants. Duplicate, but that's totally okay. This is Karate Chopper. SpongeBob, this original one actually talked when you pressed down his arm. That's really awesome. We got a nice piece of nostalgia here. We even have the original writing on the back, which I think is really cool that they did everything. And I just love the fact that we have these super tiny SpongeBob toys. It's like, they're like the tiniest SpongeBob toys ever. No! When I was a kid, we loved getting the 64 crayon colors. It was like getting a box of 64 Crayola crayons was like getting gold. Ooh, it's a new one. This is cool. These are Wowie's Chippies, and this is Chopper. Wowie not only makes fingerlings, but they're also pretty well known for making their robotics. They have a lot of robotic toys, and they are well known for that, and this is just one of them. Are there any more? I think that's it. No. No. Okay guys, before I go, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, to thank you so much to ZURU Toys, and I just wanted to show you what this actually looks like when it's removed from the box. If you get a closer look of the actual figure, we have this little plastic piece that actually keeps that in place, but there is a front and back. They left no stone unturned. There are really a lot of detail in these pieces. Unfortunately, my phone isn't picking it up. However, you're gonna see the back of it, and even like his little fingers, everything, even to the sponge like indents on his back and the top. So they really did a lot of work, and I really do appreciate everything ZURU does. They are really just, they have a great team of people and designers, so they know what they're doing there. Honestly, this is like my favorite. I love it so much. Before I go, also, I'll show you one more. Here's Robo Alive. This is a part of their own line, and I already unboxed this in that other video with my children, so I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Couldn't rip this part off though. I just couldn't do it and didn't want to hurt him. But here is their actual dinosaur from their own line. Look how cool that is. This guy walks and he roars. But I love that they included their own. I think that just makes it so much fun, especially since they included a lot of new stuff like Boppy, their new series, Wild Hearts, Series 3 Wild Hearts Rainbow Corns, and Smashers Dinos. So it's pretty awesome. Okay guys, out of everything that you saw in this video, let me know which was your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to answer my question. Which toy do you think should be represented next in Series 2? Well, which toys? I want to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again to ZURU, and stay tuned for my remaining videos where I will be unboxing the rest of these toy mini brands. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.